That looks good. It's an improvement. Where is she? Where is she? She's going back into her little house. You weren't fast enough, Dave. Come out. Open the door. Open the door. Come on, brave soul. There she is. I think it's time to get the dog into the scene, don't you?
Where is he?
Hi, Dave. Wave. Wave. Are you alive? There he goes. Yeah, he's alive. Christine, I think you ought to come get Gus.
Huh?
Come get Gus. Hi, Christine. Let me get a close-up of your face. Ooh, that's enough. That's enough. Quit it. Stop.
Where's the light? This person is blinking. Where's the light? Where?
Let me back up here and where is he? Where is the St. Bernard? No, I mean the Beagle. There he is. Hi, Big. Hi, guys.
You watch. I'll fall down and he'll save me. Watch.
Boy, the snow is really blowing now. Where did he go? Where did the doggy go? There he is. Hi, guys. There he is. Hi, guys.
Come on.
Now run out there in the snow with him. This snow must be about a foot deep now. Yep, there they go. He's got the best of her. And the dog is winning. The dog is winning. Hey, Gus. Where's the other dog? Where's the Bailey's dog? Get her, Gus. Get her, Gus.
All right, go.
He'd make a good reindeer, wouldn't he? He'd make a good reindeer. Where's David? Have we lost David? Where's David? Oh, he's hiding in the house. This is a little playhouse that the owners before us built for their grandchildren. And now it stores a freezer and junk. Turned into a junk house, and right now the moving piece of junk is David. Oh, there goes. They're going in for shelter. The dog wants in for shelter. Let the dog in. Let both of them in. There we go. I didn't mean both dogs. There. Let him get warm. Yeah. All right, guys. No, don't want to stay in, huh? Okay, it's onward. Got to get back out here in this white stuff. Whatever it is. Don't let him tear that coat. Gus, you're going crazy. Think we better get him a sweater? Think we better get him a sweater? We're into some deeper snow here now. Oh. My land. Hi, guys. How you like that deep stuff? Here comes Dave. Watch out.
That green and gold is more down colors.
Yeah.
Here, Dave. Merry Christmas. Good night.
Don't let him go. There he goes. Running away. What he does best. What he does best. He'll come back home real quick today, though. This is the neighbor's house next to us. Steve Bailey. And there's the abominable bull snowman. Ah! He got me. There's Christine off looking for the dog. Go get him, Christine! Christine! Go get the dog! Come on, Gus! David to the rescue. He's gone to help his sister up. Well, good try, Dave. She was faking it. David's been sick for the last week. He's really this is really good for him to be out here in this mess. My fingers are freezing. I have to take one glove off in order to work this camera. You better go get your dog. Are they? Oh, there's my brother.